I am going to take English for you. So, this is a new lesson after the exam. So, I am doing new lesson. So, if you have English textbook, please take your English textbook and open page number 57. This is 11th lesson. The lesson name is Truth and Truthfulness. Truth means Nija. Okay, children? Truth means Nija. So, children, all of you have heard about Gandhiji, no? He is the father of our nation. So, we will call him as Gandhi Tata. No, children? I think all of you have seen in the picture and you have heard about Gandhiji. So, this is a lesson about Gandhiji. And he was a freedom fighter also. He gave us freedom from the Britishers. Okay, children? Now I am going to read the lesson. Listen carefully. Have you heard the name of Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi is popularly known as Father of Nation and is a great Indian leader. He fought for the independence of India from the British captivity through non-violence. He inspired many people with simple living and ideals. Here is an incident from the life of this great leader. So, I think all of you have heard about Mahatma Gandhiji. He is known as the father of nation and he is a great Indian leader. So, he fought against the British and gave us independence, freedom. On which day, children? On 15th August 1947. So, through non-violence. So, he fought, he done satyagraha, he done salt satyagraha and gave us freedom. So, here is a story about that great leader. Gandhiji completed his primary education at the age of 12 in a taluk school. After his primary education, he joined the Katawar High School at Rajkot in October 1880. The name of the school was changed to Albert High School, but after the independence, the name was changed to Mohandas Gandhi Vidyalaya. This change of name was done in order to honor and cherish the memories of Mahatma Gandhi. So, this Gandhiji, he completed his studies, primary studies at the age of 12. Where he read means in a taluk school. So, after his education, he joined high school in Katawar. So, where it is? In Rajkot. In the month of October, in the year 1880, he joined high school, Katawar High School. So, the high school name is Katawar High School. So, where is that school means? It is in Rajkot. So, after that one, the school name was changed into Albert High School. And after the independence, again the school name was changed into Mohandas Gandhi Vidyalaya. Why the name was changed means we must give the honor for our national leaders, no, for Mahatma Gandhi. So, and we want to remember the memories of Mahatma Gandhi, no. So, they changed the name into Mohandas Gandhi Vidyalaya. Next. Gandhi liked the Katawar High School very much, for it was neat and simple. Even though Gandhi was not a bright student, he tried his best at studies. One day, an incident took place at the school which Gandhi could not forget till his end. This incident took place when he was doing the first year of studies. The memories haunted his thoughts and he mentions about this incident in his autobiography, My Experiments with Truth. Mr. Giles, the educational inspector, an Englishman, had come on a visit to inspect the school. In India, such visits made by educational inspectors in order to check the proper functioning and dissemination of knowledge is a usual routine till date. So, this Gandhi, he liked that Katawar High School very much because it was neat and it was simple. So Gandhi was not a bright student, but he studied hard. So while he was studying, one incident took place. That incident he can't forget until his end. So when he was studying first standard, that incident took place, and he has written in his autobiography. That autobiography name is My Experiments with the Truth. So when he was studying in first standard, an education inspector, that education inspector name was Mr. Giles. So he was an Englishman, and he came to visit that school in which Gandhiji was studying. So at that time, the educational inspectors were coming to check why they were coming, means whether the school is functioning properly, or the children have got knowledge. Dissemination means the act of spreading information. So this was a written till the date. Written means every time. Mr. Giles entered Gandhiji's class in order to inspect the learning and teaching process. He gave 5 words and asked the boys to spell it on a slate. This test given by the educational inspector, Mr. Giles, was the unexpected part of the examination. One of the words given by Mr. Giles was kettle. Gandhi had misspelled the word kettle. This was noticed by the class teacher. The class teacher tried to prompt Gandhi with the point of his boot to copy the spelling from his neighbor's slate. Gandhi did not want to do anything against his consciousness, and he knew that his act of copying. So, that inspector name was Mr. Giles. No, he came to Gandhiji's class and he wanted to inspect whether the students have learned the lessons and the teachers were explaining nicely. So, he came to the class and he gave 5 words to spell and to write on the slate. So, this test was unexpected. The children don't know that they will give the test. So, one of the words given by Mr. Giles was kettle. So, Gandhi did not know that spelling. He had written wrong in the slate. So, the teacher was inside the class. No, the teacher noticed that he had written wrong, and he stamped Gandhiji's leg and told that to see and write from his neighbor's slate, from his friend's slate. So Gandhiji did not want to do like that, because his consciousness said that the act of copying was evil and untruthful. Consciousness means a person's moral sense of right or wrong. Whether it is right or wrong, we must not copy. It is evil and it is untruthful. Gandhi also thought that the teacher was there to supervise the students but not allow them to copy from the neighbor's slate. When the results were announced, Gandhiji was the only boy in the class who had not spelled the word correctly. All the students had written all the 5 words with the correct spellings. Even though Gandhi felt embarrassed and shy due to the poor score which he had received, he never learnt or did the foul act of copying in the days of his life. So Gandhiji thought that the teacher was to supervise and not to allow the children to copy from the neighbor's slate or book. So when they announced the marks, Gandhiji was only the boy in whole from the class. He was only the boy who had taken less marks and he had not written the spellings correctly. So all the children had written all the 5 words spellings correctly. So even though Gandhi had felt shy for taking poor score, he never learnt to copy from the others in the rest of his life. Even after this incident, Gandhi respected the teacher the way a student had to respect his guru. This incident did not diminish the respect Gandhi had for his teacher, because Gandhi learned to love people far behind more mere incidents. Gandhi had learned to carry out the orders of elders and not scan their actions. But when he was asked to do wrong deeds, he was firm not to change himself for the sake of truth. So when this teacher told to copy from others, no, even after this one, Gandhi gave respect to the teachers. So he did not diminish the, he did not make or become less the respect for his teacher, because Gandhiji was loving the people more, and he had learned to obey the orders of elders and not to show their actions. So when he was asked to do wrong things, he had a firm not to change himself for the truthness. When Gandhiji grew older, he became famous. He recollected that it was the concept of truth and the act of being truthful to oneself, to others, and to God made him to rise to such heights. It was from this inner strength that he was able to overcome all the hardships, trials, and tribulations. And it was a consciousness of truth and of his act of being truthful to the human community that made his life a light to shed the darkness in the life of millions of people, even in the 21st century. So, when he grew older, when he became old, he became very famous for his truth for him and for the others also. So, it was from that inner strength that he was able to overcome all the hardship and consciousness of truth and a light to shed the darkness of life of million peoples in his 21st century. Okay children, so this is the lesson about Gandhiji. So now also we will remember Gandhiji, and in Independence Day we will keep national leaders photo and we will hoist the flag. No children? Any doubt children? So shall I ask some questions children? So who is Mr. Giles children? Can anyone say? So Mr. Giles, he was an educational inspector, a Englishman. He had come to visit the school. Why did not Gandhi not copy the word cattle from his neighbor? So Gandhiji did not copy the word cattle from his neighbor because it was what? Why he did not copy means it was wrong to copy that one, and he was not having act of copying evil or untruthful. So what did you learn from this story children? So from this story we learn that we must not copy and we must be truthful and we must not do evil activities. We must be truthful and we must obey the elders. Next, what made Gandhi to rise to such great heights? So, his truthfulness to oneself and to others and to God made him to rise to such great heights. Okay, children? Next, fill in the blanks. Dash is known as father of our nation. So, in the clue kit, they given teacher Mr. Giles Katawar, Taluk School, Gandhiji. So, Gandhiji is known as the father of our nation. Second, Gandhiji completed his primary education at Katawar. Gandhiji liked Taluk School. Gandhiji completed his primary education at Taluk School. Gandhiji liked Katawar High School. Dash entered Gandhi's class. So Mr. Giles entered Gandhi's class. Gandhiji always respected his teachers. Okay, children? So any doubt, children? So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, children? So I am giving notes also. So please write the notes in the classwork neatly. Okay, children? Thank you.